Hi everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the operating system module, right? If you remember in previous videos, we have discussed about the path module and the file system module. So let's get started with the operating system module. So first, let's see what is the operating system module. So what is OS, that is operating system module in Node.js. So what is it? It is inbuilt module in Node.js which tell you about the informations about the operating system. Okay, so it can be used to get the trans it can be used to get the informations about the operating system, such as a platform. What is a platform of your operating system? What is the architecture? How many CPUs are there? What is a free memory, temporary memory? Okay, so it pro- it provides various methods for us to fetch all this information of your operating system, like platform, arc, CPUs, free memory, total memory, and much more. But in this video, we are going to discuss these five important method of operating system module. So let's get started one by one. So first, let's discuss example one. Example one, getting the operating system platform. Okay. So first you will need to import your operating system like other modules, and there is one important method which is the platform of operating system module which tell you about the platform of your operating system. It might be Linux, Windows 32, Dragon, etc., depending on your operating system. Okay, so let me save this and run this file. Okay, I have created OS module. Previously, I have showcased you about FS module and path module. So let me run this file. Here you can see I am getting Windows 32. So this is the platform of my operating system. Okay, so this is the way how basically you can identify the platform of your operating system. Let me go to the another example. Example 2, getting the operating system architecture. It means which architecture is used for your operating system. So I have already imported the operating system, right? I'm not commenting this time uh, to see all the attributes or informations of your operating system together. So arc is the function of operating system which tell you about the architecture of operating system. So it might be x64, x32, depending on the architecture which is used in your operating system. So let me run again this file to see the so yeah, I have the window 32 platform and x64 is a architecture. Okay, third method is CPUs. So it will tell you how many number of CPU core for your operating system. So to see this, what you can do, you can const, yeah. So there is CPUS is the method. Okay, you can calculate the length. Okay, here. So it may be different based on your operating system. So let me see how much the length of CPUs in my system from this function CPUs. Okay, dot length. So yeah, I think I have not saved. So let me save this and run again. Yeah, so here you can see that the length of CPU cores is 8 on my system. Okay, next, let me take the another example. Example 4. So let me get the total system memory of my operating system. So okay, so this is the method total mem. is the function name which of operating system module which tell you about the total memory of your operating system. Okay, you can do this. I will save this and run again. Okay, here you can see the memory. Okay, and it is in byte. Okay, just FYI, it is in byte. Okay, and next example, here you can see getting the free system memory, how much free memory it is. Okay, so let me clear all the commands from the terminal and let me run now so that we can get all the informations of the OS module. So here you can see that I have platform window 32, I have architecture 64, and the number of CPU core is 8 in my operating system, and total memory is this in byte, and total free memory is this. Okay, so yeah, so so that's all. I think for this video we have discussed most important methods of operating system which is mostly used in our real time scenarios. And let's say I can give you one example. Let's say for the platform, right? So you can add a check for a platform and you can load a different logic based on your platform, right? Sometimes some platform support some logic, other platform does not support that logic. So you will need to write a different logic for a based on your platform. So this command is very useful in that case. Okay, so that's all about the operating system. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and click on the notification icon to see such kind of videos. Thank you very much.